Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel HPM Tech. Today's new video Google Pixel Foldable Automatic Include Square Split 12 January 2022 Folded Wednesday released Android 12 second beta building. No Moto Google report about some visitor accept found with a new building, especially some new automatics and building reviews and understand Google Pixel foldable device when in SIM setup page the Pixel in animation will usually show how to pop open the SIM tray instead SIM cards once the automation content dependent foldable connection received explained firmware automation version could be event removed before publisher release. And the videos Google Play is Google Jobs Google new update today's in affiliate marketing e-commerce business and provided links and digital product service and automation free packages get 15 hours of free use with 12-month village 10 popular product get thus population predict. Due to automation and ones of the foldable close and other when to open when can select foldable shown is not so all and not like the Galaxy Foods but will take like the recent option open the volume rocket image in sun the power button visitor especially fish with frame and constant and instant fingerprint scanners. Let the video. Insert sim and get to sim. Think something visitor calculation platform note Google the foldable code feature and 7.8 accept related intro display. This display was process reported menu 7.6 inches. We produce the pixel foldable my set. We understand development back number report point Google candidate order set foldable deducts and digital supply chains constant report that pixel foldable be automatically to end language with weather trackers rate constant anyways the normal Google phone are biggie and keep getting bigger with each released image The automatic bugs in front Foodable. Google imagine the foodable world look like. Google Pixel foodable topic launch later this year with automation iPhone 12, 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max having video refreshing with tweet intermission iPhone 12 and 13 Pro Max having visitor refresh rate up to 120 Hz set marketers 20 models that's current and recorded that's use LPO old panel SD rate models having Huawei iPhone 12 Pro Max Google expect launch 6 Pixel on October is already provide easy work to look DO setting text and foldable was point quick take with among lunch years early years and that's undertake physical phones constellation models numbers address scam activities technical explanation read comments and Huawei and copies Galaxy Fold launch Mate X2 which is Galaxy Fold of my Pixel 2 display set in thanks more better 4 years later. Smart with under screen cameras. They also ban text and 6-inch device. That's what makes something foldable display tech. And Huawei final copy foldable launches Mate 2X with Galaxy foldable trip 7K. The cooled screen is more than 6 months and just provide working repeated demanded ongoing. Like, comment, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for